Okay. And here you see HVAC condenser unit. And there you go. Always check to be level, because if it's not, you will see there's vibrant noise and it's not gonna work properly. Then sticker, just this one is Linux. Okay. Now I want to see how to read the sticker. Okay, serial number, it says 1922. This one is built 2022. And from model number, you can find out about how many ton is. Right here, it says 48. If you divide 48 by 12, by 4, but back to 12, right? Divided by 12 is gonna be 4. And this unit is 4 ton. 2022, and what type of refrigerant they are using is 410A. After 2020, no companies allowed to use R22 refrigerant, and all of them using 410A. Then, yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you.